transfer subscription feature allows web creators to easily hand off a finished website to their clients, colleagues, or other stakeholders. The transfer process is automated and can be managed directly from your My Elementor dashboard. This video will explain the transfer subscription feature and elaborate on the steps that the original and new owner need to take to make and receive a transfer. The transfer subscription feature enables site owners to transfer an Elementor cloud subscription or any of the pro plans to a new owner. Transferring a subscription will transfer all the products in that subscription. In cloud websites, the transfer will include ownership of the hosting, Elementor domain, WordPress account, and Elementor editor. Transferring an Elementor Pro plugin subscription includes all its activations, but doesn't include ownership of the WordPress account. Here's an overview of the process. First, the original owner will send an invitation to the new owner. The new owner then has 5 days to accept the invitation and complete the transfer. Next, to officially begin the handover process, the new owner will be required to create an Elementor account if they don't already have one. The new owner will also have to validate a payment method for future renewals. The original owner won't receive a refund for their purchase. The transfer process applies to future payments only. After the transfer process is complete, the original owner will lose all administration privileges for their subscription, with the exception of being able to view their billing history. If you want to transfer your subscription to another person, first go to your My Elementor dashboard and choose the subscription you want to transfer. Next, click on the ellipsis menu. Then, type the new owner's email, accept the terms and conditions, and send the invitation. If necessary, you can resend a transfer email by clicking the ellipsis icon and resending the invitation. Nothing will change in your dashboard until the new owner completes the transfer process. Upon completion, you will lose ownership of the site and all administrative privileges. You will still be able to view your billing history. The subscription status will change to transferred, and you won't be charged for the subscription again. When you want to receive ownership of a subscription, the original owner will send you an invitation via email, which will only be valid for 5 days. To complete the process, you will need to have or set up an Elementor account with a valid payment method. If you don't have an active Elementor account, you'll be prompted to create one and enter a payment method. Once the transfer is complete, the subscriptions will appear in your My Elementor dashboard, along with all the settings and activations. The subscription will then be under your name and you'll be charged on the next renewal date. If you want to learn more about the transfer subscription process, head over to the Elementor website and check out the Help Center.